General elections were held in Saint Lucia on 26 July 2021, having been constitutionally required by 12 October 2021. Voters elected all 17 members of the House of Assembly. The result was a victory for the opposition Saint Lucia Labour Party, which won 13 of the 17 seats in the House, while the ruling United Workers' Party lost 9 of its 11 seats. The 17 elected members of the House of Assembly were elected by first-past-the-post in single-member constituencies. According to the Constitution, elections for a new parliament session can be held at the latest 5 years and 90 days after the opening of the previous session. The first session after the 2016 election was held on 12 July 2016, leaving the deadline in October 2021. Incumbent Prime Minister Alan Chastanet favored a later date, stating in April 2021 his intent to avoid another outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in Saint Lucia. On 5 July 2021, he announced that the election would be held on 26 July. Political parties began announcing prospective candidates in December 2020. On nomination day, 16 July, the governing United Workers' Party nominated candidates for all 17 constituencies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.